Test-driven development, or TDD, is a very powerful methodology that can speed up the way you develop your code and reduce the amount of bugs you have in your software. As any other methodology, it is important to understand the reason behind the rules it enforces. This allows you to decide when you can bend the rules and when you have to be inflexible. So, the first thing to learn is to be reasonable, to apply the useful rules and to discard the ones that do not improve your productivity. So, what is test-driven development? TDD is a mindset. It is the way you face a new problem, the way you structure your approach to bugs or missing features in your software. And the mindset is, the test comes first. The first thing you have to do is to write a test, to have something that checks the correctness of your code. Only after this, you can write some code that tries to make the test pass, implementing the missing feature or solving the bug. TDD is not a new software tool. There are tools that can help you applying it, but if you don't have the mindset, tools will just get in your way. TDD is not a new programming language. You can use TDD with almost all the modern languages, and even with projects that are not related with programming. TDD is not something that you learn just reading articles or books. You have to start practicing it. Only then the mindset will slowly become the way you approach problems. When you write the code to pass the test, you should aim for the simple solution. Do not try to solve problems that are not exposed by the test. If you see a possible issue, write a test for it and then write the code. Change your code only once all your tests pass. Do not change anything that is not covered by tests. You need to be sure that the new code doesn't break the old behavior. The first time you run a new test, you should have a failure. If the test doesn't fail, you might be testing something already tested. So, if a new test doesn't fail, you should ask yourself, is it useful? Now that you got this brief introduction, it is time to start coding. In the next videos, I will guide you through a simple project following a very strict TDD workflow. This is the best way to learn, so welcome to my workshop.